Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this, like the masks or the faces, and this is the theater mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and then tap on the check mark to confirm. What the theater mode does is basically it mutes all of the sounds and notifications on your watch. Also, it lowers the brightness of the screen quite a lot, and it turns off the always on display and wake up screen to notifications and stuff like that, basically to prevent any disturbances when you're for example in theater. Okay, and that's how you enable the theater mode. To disable it, simply wake up the screen by pressing the crown button, open the control menu. It's barely visible because the screen is quite dim, but open the controls panel, tap on the icon, and the mode will be disabled. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.